guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. As you guys can see, I have stuff all over the place. I am going to be making cheesecake, so follow along how I do it. I do like to bake as a hobby, but I do bake cakes more than I bake cheesecake, so we'll see how that goes. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. I will leave my Instagram down below, down here. So yeah, if you want to see how I make this cheesecake, go ahead and keep watching. So to make the crust, I am going to be using, let's see, 1 cup of graham cracker. Oh my god. I'm already starting to make a mess, guys. 1 cup of graham cracker. Yeah, so I'm like extremely hungover. When I get hungover though, it's like I get alcohol poisoning when I drink liquor. Like, I be throwing up till like all day. Like today, I woke up at 7 in the morning, hungover. But I was throwing up till like 2 in the morning. I mean, till 2 in the afternoon. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sometimes I go by the measurements, but then I just like add extra stuff. Okay, and then this is 1/4, so half of the stick of butter, melted. So see how it starts to get mushy because of the butter? Oh my god, it smells so good already. So all you do is grab it, pack it in there. I'm making little ones because I'm probably gonna drop these off at like my friend's house and stuff. You're gonna pack it, that way it sticks to the bottom, and then you're gonna bake this. That way it stays nice and firm. Okay, so this is what the cheesecakes look like, the crust patted down. I'm making 6 mini ones. They're like the size of my hand. So we have it at 350, and we're gonna put these in for 10 minutes. So I thought it would be a little bit easier if I just do a voiceover. That way I can just give you the instructions and then speed the clips along. So right now you're going to be adding 4 boxes of cream cheese. That is going to equal to 2 pounds. And that's going to make enough for the 6 trays that I have. So for this next step, all you're going to be doing is adding 1 1/4 cup of regular white sugar. And you're just going to pour that into the bowl. And you're going to start mixing it all up together with your mixer. So I was having a little bit of a difficult time mixing up the cream cheese, only because it's supposed to be room temperature and mine was really cold. So now we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and then we were supposed to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, but I couldn't find any at the store. So what you're going to be seeing on this next clip is cornmeal. So I only added 1 tablespoon because obviously there was none at the store because of this whole coronavirus thing. Now we are going to be adding 3 large eggs and 1 egg yolk. At this point, once you add all the eggs in, you're going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I promise, don't be scared to add the sour cream. It makes it taste really delicious. And once you add that sour cream, you can start mixing it all up. You don't want to mix it too much to where it's too thick. You have to know kind of when to stop. And if you want to add a lime, you also can add a lime for a little bit more of a sour flavor. I personally didn't for this batch. Now that you have all your ingredients, everything is ready, the mix is ready to go, you can start loading up your little pans. And then once you're done loading up the pans, you can see that I'm shaking the trays, and that is just to even them out so that once they bake, they're not all lumpy. So you just kind of want to flatten them out. Take 5. Did that make sense? That didn't make sense. Okay, let me start over. Okay, so you're gonna put the mini cheesecakes in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you're gonna put it for 225 degrees for another 25 minutes. Yeah. Aye, it's already hot. Now that they are in the oven and they are ready to bake, you can go ahead and add water to your pan. You add water to the pan so that it doesn't get direct heat under the little pan and it doesn't burn your crust. So water is always good. You don't have to do it, but I recommend putting water on the pan. So we are going to leave those in there for 20 minutes. Once those 20 minutes are up, you can see me lowering down the temperature to 225 degrees. Once you lower down that temperature, you're going to leave it in there for another 25 minutes. And then once those 25 minutes are over, you can go ahead and you can see how they're already almost done. So you just turn it off. You let them sit in there for 15 minutes with the warm heat on. As you can see there, I put my timer for 15 minutes. Now that the 15 minutes are over, I'm going to go ahead and take them out and let them cool. And I'm just going to let them cool overnight just because it's pretty late. And I will finish up the rest of the video in the morning. It is now the next day and I am going to be adding strawberries. I'm only going to be adding it to half because some people like strawberries on their cheesecake and some people don't. So I'll just do half, and then once they're delivered, they can just choose if they want to eat the strawberry or not. So I only did strawberry on half. It is the next day and now we are going to do a taste test, but this is what it looks like. Yummy. And we have a little special guest, a little baby. Hi, little baby. He's tiny, tiny, tiny. It's really good. You want to try it, Bob?
No.
Come on. Okay, my mom's gonna try it. How's it? Good, huh?
Muy rico. Yep.
Is it giving you? It's good.
Oh, sí está rico.
Okay, so that is it for my cheesecake video. We'll see you guys in the next video.